Hello everyone, my name is Sheikh Irfan and in this video we are going to learn pervious concrete. So let's start with the definition of it first. See, it is a special type of concrete with high porosity which is used for flat work applications. Means this concrete will have high porosity and it is used for various applications such as parking areas, light traffic areas, residential streets or pedestrian walkways that we are going to see next. So just remember that this is a type of special concrete with high porosity that is used for concrete flat work applications and that allows water from the precipitation, that is from rainfall and other sources, to pass directly through it and thereby reducing the runoff. What will happen? This concrete will not allow the water to stand over the surface, but it will pass the water from its interconnected voids because it will have high porosity, and it will also help in reducing the runoff from the site, and as well as it will also allow the groundwater recharge because of the infiltration of water through the interconnected voids or due to the porosity of concrete. What will happen? The groundwater will also recharge due to this and runoff will also be less. So what is pervious concrete? It is a type of special concrete with high porosity and that allow the water from precipitation, that is from rainfall and other sources, to pass directly through it. It will not allow the water to stand over it, it will pass directly through it and it will reduce runoff and it will allow the groundwater recharge. Then pervious concrete is made using large aggregates with little or no fine aggregates. See, we have seen the concept of no fine concrete. What is no fine concrete? As the name says, it will have no fines, that is no fine aggregates or sand. So pervious concrete will be the same concept, that pervious concrete will also have the same concept, that it will be having little or no fines, that is no sand in this type of concrete. And because we are not using fine aggregate or we are using little amount of fine aggregate, so that will help in making the concrete pervious. As the name says, it is a pervious concrete, and pervious concrete is generally used for parking areas, areas with light traffic, then for the residential streets, pedestrian walkways and greenhouses. So the concept of pervious concrete is very simple. It is nothing but a type of special concrete which will have high porosity. As the name says, it is a pervious concrete. Therefore this concrete will have high porosity and that will be used for various applications. For flat work applications, as I told you, that is parking areas, light traffic areas, residential streets, parking walkways, and that will allow the water from precipitation, that is from rainfall and other sources, to pass through it and it will reduce the runoff and it will increase the groundwater table. Then pervious concrete was first used in 1800 in Europe and it was used as a pavement surfacing material and also for the load bearing walls. See, this type of concrete was first used in 1800 in Europe. So it is a very old concept and it became popular in 1920s for two-story homes in Scotland and England. In Scotland and England, two-story buildings were made or constructed by using this type of concrete. And see, this pervious concrete mixture will have water cement ratio, that is water to cement ratio will be in between 0.28 to 0.40 and the voids content or voids ratio will be, or voids percentage will be 15 to 25%. See, the water cement ratio for this type of concrete will be 0.28 to 0.40 and the voids content, that is voids percentage, will be in between 15 to 25%. Now this pervious concrete, if it is used for pavements, it will have one benefit, that especially in winter season it will be very safer for the pedestrians. What happens in winter season, if the water will not pass through it, if it rests on that surface or if it stays over the surface for a long period, then there are chances that it will freeze or even icy conditions will be formed and that are dangerous for the pedestrians. So using the pervious concrete especially for the pavements, what will happen, the water will not settle or water will not stay over the surface for a long period. It will pass directly through the interconnected voids due to its high porosity, and there will not be any freezing, and that leads to icy condition or slippery conditions to the pedestrians. So that is one benefit by using this pervious concrete for the pavements. So this was the video about pervious concrete. Thank you.